All right, guys, so super excited about today's trip. Got up early, actually set an alarm, hiking into a cool waterfall in North Carolina. Been on the trail for about an hour, just kind of making my way. It's a well-marked, easy to follow trail, but the waterfall is supposed to be spectacular. So definitely wanted to see that and share that with you guys today. So this was an area that I didn't make it to last time because of the rain. So there's like 3 streams that I really wanted to fish that I didn't get to see after the weather moved in last trip and all the streams turned to chocolate milk. I was afraid, didn't want to hike, you know, 2 hours into the backcountry stream, not knowing what the water conditions were like. But it's been, weather's been good for the last week or so. It's the end of April. I'm actually meeting a buddy here over the weekend, and we're gonna hike in, fish another stream that is pretty popular. So but we're super excited. I'm excited to be here. It's gonna be a good time. All right, getting our first view kind of through the trees of the waterfall we came here to see. Pretty spectacular. How awesome is that? All right, here's the trail down. Let's see how long. Started at 9:25. So right at an hour and a half. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. All right. First look at this little stream. Beautiful. Nice water. Okay, so for this trip I have my Bad and Kill 2. This goes to my Orvis Superfine Carbon 7.5 foot 3-weight. Brought a bunch of snacks, lunch. All right, I also have first aid kit. I needed that on my last trip. If you saw that video, you saw me gash my eye when I fell and basically hit into a rock. I have a dry bag with GoPro batteries. It also has my wallet. Inside my pack I have a rain jacket, and I have the jacket I started the trip with, just something to keep a little bit warm. Apple, some dry fly dust, nothing special. I have this is new. I've been using this for a couple trips now. Really like it so far. I'm gonna do a dedicated video on that later, but basically I've replaced my Grail with this because I can squeeze it. It's a squeeze bottle that filters water, and it filters water way faster, and it's lighter. It's basically just a squeeze bottle. But like I said, I'm gonna do a dedicated video on that soon, but I've been testing it out for the last a little over a week now, using it to filter water on these backcountry trips and my fly fishing trips and camping and hiking trips, whatnot. So anyway, inside the last pocket, just a little bit of sunscreen and bug spray. Haven't needed those much this trip. And then I have my Spot All right, so not a super productive outing. I hiked to the end of the trail, and then I bushwhacked in a little bit. Probably went, I don't know, half a mile in the stream, and I caught a couple of small brook trout, but nothing to get excited about. And I don't really want to spend too much time, so what I'm doing is hiking back out. Gonna go find my way to a maybe see if I can find another tributary coming into this bigger stream and explore that, or just hit the stream a little bit further down. You know, with, I think they said, somebody told me 4,000 miles of stream public access water. If you're just hitting spots on a map, like picking this blue line, that blue line, you're gonna have a couple of those every now and then. So, but it's part of the fun, just kind of getting off and trying to figure out where the fishing is and trying to learn an area. So I enjoy that, but hopefully we'll go find some fish. I know I've been hiking for about 3 hours now. At least the rain let up, so I'm gonna take my jacket off here in a minute. All right, so it's time for dinner. This is what I'm doing tonight. I got some tilapia when I drove into town. Got some onion, bell pepper. Gonna saute that up. Basically do fish tacos tonight. So doing a marinade right here with a little bit of a local brew, some onion, cilantro, olive oil, a little garlic salt. I'm gonna throw the tilapia in there and marinate that for about half an hour, and then throw it on the frying pan. Got some tortillas, avocado, some lettuce, tomatoes. Gonna cut those up, put them all together, and do some dinner. I'm starving. It was fun hiking that waterfall, but I'm ready for some food. Good. Spread that out a little bit. Time for fish. Wash my hands. Here are my sides. This is gonna be for my black beans. It's for my tacos. Got some leftovers, throw in a plastic bag. Just wait for that fish to cook about halfway. olive oil, cilantro, onion mix. All right, guys, I'm ready to eat. I got a little bit. I got 2 to make. But I only have room on my plate for 1. So let's see. Grab a fork. The second one's always the best because you scrape the bottom, get all the crunchies off. Yeah, that's my favorite part. Can you guys see that owl right there? He just flew up. How cool is that? That's cool. I'm just finishing my second fish taco. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I got. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're gonna sign off for the night and get back on here tomorrow and going out in the national forest and do cool things. Thanks for watching.